This is the brand new DualVelo extruder and hot end kit from Mellow. It comes in two versions, air-cooled and water-cooled. For this video, we'll be showing you the air-cooled version in our setup. VZBot users install the DualVelo extruder can simply replacing this mounting plate. It can push to 1.75mm filaments at the same time, or switch between two different colors one after the other. There are screws you'll need to provide yourself. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. These are all the items included in the hot end package. Alright, let's start installing the heating. First, we need to remove these 6 screws. Put a little bit of thermal paste on the contact, it helps the heat move more efficiently into the hot end. Let it spread evenly into the groove. Next, insert the thermistor. You can adjust its angle slightly to make installation easier. You might think you don't need to add any thermal paste here, but those little gaps can trap air, and air doesn't conduct heat very well, so that hurts heat transfer. Thermal paste is way better at conducting heat than air. It squishes into those tiny gaps and gives heat a smooth path from the cartridge to the hot end block. Once that's done, just repeat the same process for the heating block on the other side. Next, we need to remove the heat break and apply thermal paste to it. After removing the hot end, we should check if the heat break throw tube is properly tightened to prevent material from leaking during printing. Same as before, just spread a nice even layer of thermal paste here too. Now it's time to attach the hot end to the extruder. Make sure the mounting plate is installed with the groove side facing up. Now, just screw in the 4 screws one by one. And just like that, the mounting plate is in place. We'll also need 2 pieces of T-fit tubing about 10.7mm in length. Before we put in the motor, we've got to take this piece off. Grab the spare screws you prepared earlier, they're a little longer on purpose, so you've got more room to work with when attaching the tool board. Alright, let's put everything we took apart back in place. Last step, swap in the new connection mounting plate that came in the pack and you're good to go. When installing the hot end, double check that 2 PTFE tubes have been inserted as the filament feed paths. That's how we've completed the installation. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll run some test prints and show you how this extruder performs in different scenarios. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.